A lot of servers die due to inactivity, and I thought I could solve this by adding some events that happen every single week, and it's working pretty well. I mean, players have a whole week to gear up for the event so that they can fight and win different things and whatever. However, even when there's players online and you see in the tab list that there's some players online, you don't really know what you're gonna do with those players. So I decided to fix that. The main problem that I was working with was either that no one was on, so when someone was like, okay, am I going to log on to the server right now? They'd look at the tab list and they'd be like, there's no one online, so why bother? The second problem that I ran into was when players would look at the tab list, hop on, and then kind of chill, knowing that the other person is on, but you're not doing something with them, so then it kind of gets boring, and then player logs off and so does the other one. So to fix both issues, I created a new system called the Green Vault system. This system only activates when there are 3 people who want to play, and once there are 3 people, the green vaults that you place down, they look like a regular vault like this, will light up green and request certain resources. Every resource that you give to the vault will give your kit for the raids a little bit more. Once the raid starts, you're in a empty kit plus whatever resources you added that the green vaults wanted, and the team has to fight together to try to beat the raid. If all players die, they have to reset from the beginning, but if all players live, they progress to the next level, which increases rewards. Now that's one thing I have to talk about. The way that this is incentivized is through the server's economy. And this is a very important part. You have to find some way to incentivize players if you want to do a system like this, because without an incentive, it feels kind of useless to play. But if your incentive is something like diamonds or something that players can already get on their own pretty easily, or already have a ton of and don't need them anymore, then there's kind of no point. I have other videos kind of going into server economies and different things. So if you want more of that type of content, subscribe and maybe, you'll get some tips that'll help you set up your server in a way where you can actually incentivize your players. But for now, let's take a look at the Green Vault mechanics and see how it works to keep players having a fun time together. Oh, whose one is it?
Mine.
That's because it's in Walmart.
We're doing it?
Bro.
I'm just cool.
We have 2 strength pots, a potion of healing, and speed still.
I'm just cool, I guess.
We have 2 lifesteal arrows.
I told it not to give us explosive charges. Why is it still giving us explosive charges? Oh my gosh.
Why do we have lifesteal arrows now?
Those are really good against these mobs.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, if you're low.
Axe immediately tries to shoot one at us.
Ow!
No, I'm shooting it at Robbie.
Bro, it's not gonna, bro.
Yo!
Who's full invis?
Full invis? I don't know. Probably not.
Okay.
Too soon.
Okay.
We made ourselves very clear. We do not want you here.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it is
God.
not fully invis.
Okay, this hate that some of the other players have for me is something I'm going to talk about in another video, where I actually explain how I need a teammate to stand against some of the players in this server who hate me for some reason. I don't even know why. But at any rate, so far it's working pretty well to unite the server, even if it is against me. And the players of the server are having a fun time. So it's working pretty well. But now we're going to jump into a little game called Tag. And this game, there's a few like little mini games that this has. And, oh, hey, Riv. And a big problem with mini games in general is that they don't feel super connected to Minecraft. So it feels kind of unnecessary. Even if you reward the players for playing the mini games and stuff, it still feels kind of disconnected from the game itself. So the way that I handled this is each of the mini games, once they're played to completion, add a special item to the kit for the raids. So they're more likely to feel like it's connected to the game because you're connecting it to the raids, which is PvP against mobs, which feels very Minecrafty, and it's a team battle altogether, even though they killed me, which means that we can't progress a raid level because I died and every player has to survive for you to progress a raid level. I don't know. The hate is real for some reason. But at any rate, let's get to watching that tag game.
What's the tag safety?
Oh, you got me? How did you get me?
I'm just that good.
Me, Riv.
Whoa!
How does tag safety work?
Riv, come do your parkour,
Robbie,
bro.
Robbie.
Come do the parkour.
Robbie,
Riv.
what does tag safety
I'm assuming that's the no tag backs. But I can't be
Tag
sure.
safety? I guess it's when you touch your vault. They can't hit
Why do
you
I have
after you
to-
touch it
to touch a vault every 20 seconds?
to make sure no one's like hiding
Yeah, and just
Or
running
running.
away.
constantly. Yeah,
What's
but with enough people, you could just camp somewhere.
the point of being
everyone gets
invis if
tagged.
you're highlighted on my screen?
That's what I'm the seeker. I'm not.
That is a
Oh,
point.
Oh, when you're
yeah.
invis, yeah, shoot.
He's got a point.
He just disappeared.
Oh.
More
Why is that
Invis.
Wow, an arrow, bro.
Me?
Let's go. I see Robbie up there.
Can you get someone?
Wait, so
with
what if I just
church?
hide by
Does
a
it
vault?
count?
No, it doesn't.
We already
Out
tried
of here,
that.
Robbie.
Oh.
You cheered.
Holy shit! 1
Oh
second.
wait, I thought Robbie. No, okay.
Oh, how
Robbie
did
was
Oxy get it? Oh, he probably just didn't.
Don't kill me, man. Don't fucking
Yeah,
didn't
I
touch a
didn't
vault
touch
long
my
enough.
vault.
Give me that, because I don't have the ammo.
Oh, I
Dummy.
Hey, you punched me?
Whoa, calm
16
down.
flint?
Stupid.
How am I supposed to
Minecraft,
get
buddy. It's not
16
that serious.
64 iron nugget.
What's the hunger like? I can't see the hunger because I joined late.
It's like
I can't either.
this little.
You need to fix
Yeah.
that, Robbie.
Bro,
Oh, no one can
16
see the
flint?
hunger?
Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, we
I
can.
can't.
No.
Oh,
I
just
tried to
everyone
do
who
it.
joined late.
Oh,
Can you about raise?
Oh, is that
Yeah.
Oh, Axe 1? Wait, how did Axe
Oh,
win?
he was it the least.
People.
I only got tagged once.
Oh, that's how. That's how.
that's how you.
I also
can
only
do it.
got tagged
on the
once.
vault.
Where
Where's
is
the
it?
vault?
Where is it?
So yeah, that's about it. There's still maybe a little bit of tweaking that needs to be done, but so far, it seems to be working pretty well. And if you want to design a system like this, I have a bunch of other videos with tips, so you could subscribe, or you could even leave a comment and ask about it, because I'm a pretty small creator, so I can pretty much respond to every comment. If you are interested at all in this server and think, maybe I'd want to join it, I am accepting applications, so if you just message me on Discord at RealRose or check in the description, then we can have a little conversation. Maybe you can join. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.